Breakfast. Got breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Always gotta have it. Gotta have your breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, this is day 3 of Hawaii. I don't know what we got planned. We just finna be on our nomadic travels. Thanks for sticking along. Thanks for even just bearing with it. I promise things is gonna get better. But yes, that's the plan for the day. Here from Honolulu, day 2. That was horrible. So I got a scooter and I'm a ride around town. I think that's what I want to do for a couple of hours. Actually, the first main challenge I want to do, I want to get gas. I gotta fill it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get gas, fill up the tank. That's the first task of the day, and then we're going to go drive around and get used to riding a scooter and not. I don't even want to jinx it, but let's enjoy the day here in Honolulu. All right, Operation Moped is a go. This is the moped. I will be, my chariot awaits or whatever. This is it. I'ma take it to go get gas. That's the mission. We're on it. We're in it to win it. Let's get it, like bacon and spinach. All right, I'ma shut up. I'm about to run out of fuel before I even get out of this damn parking lot. Getting gas was fairly successful. All right, I thought it would be a lot harder, but it's a lot easier than I thought. Can I turn right on red here? That's kind of what I want to know. All right, after some time of riding around the whole entire city to find a beach, I probably drove for about 2 miles almost. And look at this. I mean, this is nice. I could get used to this, to be honest. This look, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the water with it, you know what I'm saying? Water clear type beat, you know? It's not too bad out here. I really wish I was out here to see this stuff. This is nice. I wish I could see the view. I might have to crop it again. But look, we doing some big things, you know? Started off slow, but now we out here at the beach. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what else to talk about. Out here, you know, it's nice, it's very tame, it's very chill, the weather is great, the sand is nice, the water is cool. It's not a bad place at all, to be honest. I'm really enjoying my time here. I'm glad we were able to do this for the vlog, for the travel vlog. I feel like I did a lot. I edited this morning, I made breakfast, I came out here, and the day just kind of started. But we lit out here, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's hot. I ain't doing that. I have my scooter still kind of parked. I'm gonna just walk. I'm gonna just take a little walk down the beach and just see what they got. I'm gonna bring my stuff, but I gotta remember where I parked, because I wouldn't remember. I don't even know where I'm at in Hawaii right now. So, nomadic adventures. Really. This place got a gym. I think it's time we get our workout on, right? Okay, that was a decent workout and a good excuse to show my shoulders. The only redeeming part about my body. Anyways, we made it to the part of the beach that I said I wanted to get to, and we're here. We're gonna check out what's happening on the grassy part. It's very grassy over here, but we made it, and let's just check out and see what they got. That is nuts. Look at this tree. Oh. Like that at the roots. Look, you can even see people actually. And you know what I'm saying? The first day I got here, I really ain't know what to do. Second day, I'm like, hey, I'm lit. I got myself a little scooter. I'm maneuvering. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You sit here and you're like, damn, I'm really in Hawaii. I really just did it. I just took a random trip and went somewhere. Hey, that's what happens when you get with the Malik's Nomadic Travels. You know what I'm saying? Anything can happen. And the view, oh, I look so good. Oh, I look so good. I look good. I feel good. You know what I'm saying?
First time here?
Yeah, I love it here. I'm gonna stay here. The shaka.
Yeah.
Like this. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do it the right way. Like this. I know
you know what this is?
Like, well, hello, right?
How's it?
How is it? How is it?
It's hello, how's it? Or shaka.
Shaka.
Yeah.
I don't want to do the wrong thing. I want to do the right thing.
So like if you're greeting somebody, like if I saw you, I just do this. That's like, how are you? How are you?
How are you?
Polite English is how are you?
Uh-huh.
Hawaiian is how's it?
How's it?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to thank you. I like that. How's it? Is there a thing for bye or
You can say aloha.
aloha? I like that.
See, aloha could be hello.
Uh-huh.
Could be love. Could be goodbye. Aloha is a lot of different things.
I like that. Aloha. Well, thank you very much. Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha. See, Nomadic Travels. Anything can happen. You can see anything, get into anything. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's hard to see, but look at this view. Not sure in particular how I'm gonna end this video. I don't know how to end any videos, but once again, I'm glad you actually stuck and hung out and been there and brought along with the journey. The ones that have watched, appreciate it. The ones that are watching to support, I still appreciate you. We need to get ready to go back soon, but this isn't the end. This is not the end. We're still here. We live, we live, we own it. Let's get it.